how to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot, auto hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now, in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. After click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, click on Mobile Hotspot. Scroll down and you will see Auto Hotspot is here. If you want to turn off Auto Hotspot, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Auto Hotspot is turn off. If you want to turn on Auto Hotspot, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Auto Hotspot is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Auto Hotspot from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mobile hotspot, auto hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.